And this is Papa Loves. Woo-ha!
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own.
So yun nga, picture ako muna. Yan, picture guys. Dito kami sa Wadi Hanipa. Dahil pagkain guys. Oh. Picnic. Picnic lang sa park. Ayan guys. Last gala dito sa Kingdom. And welcome to Europe. Wow. Guys, dami ano. Ayan. Daming dates guys. Nakakalaglag na. Yung dates. Ang dami. Wow! Spaghetti! Ang dami! Spaghetti guys. Cravings. Ayan ah. Mama Labs, kakanta ka Mama Labs ha. Happy birthday. Ayan guys, dito lang kami sa Wadi Hanipa.
Ilalata ko na ba yung red carpet?
Grabe, ang dami guys. Tapos kami. Meron ba ako like? I'm not smoking. Ayun guys, Goldilocks from Bahrain. Tapos ngayon may barbecue pa. Goldilocks guys.
Ay, sa ano pa yan?
Sa next week pa kakain. Yan na Goldilocks guys. Saan na? Papunta na ba? Ayun na pala, ayun na. Isira na ba yan? Ay, ayun tayo na. May candle ka ba? May candle ka? May candle ka? Tingnan mo yung sa bulsa ng likod ko may candle. Aba. Ayun na. Sige. Hiram ako ng candle dito. Ay, ano? Tag doon. May candle ka ba? Ha? Oh, ayun o. May lighter. Pwede mahiram doon. Wala. Ayun o. Happy birthday. Ayan na po yung may birthday. Sige, buksan mo na yan. Oo. Meron ako lighter yan. Ito ba? Ika ba? Happy birthday! Happy birthday. Yan pala may birthday guys. Happy birthday.
Lagay ko ng candle. Tinanggal mo yata. Hindi. Hindi lagay ng candle. Ano to?
Guys, happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday. At
ayun na sinelebrate.
ganun ba? Parang ako nung 22, nung
22 ka
Friday naman sinelebrate.
Uli, kumain tayo.
Guys, birthday ko din yata.
Hindi ako papayag hindi kakanta.
Ate ka, hiram. So, ayun guys.
Vlogger tayo.
Goldilocks. Ayun. Eileen birthday. Eileen birthday. Tapos nilagay doon dapat Papa Loves. Joke lang. Ayun, anong name niya?
Miko po.
Ay, Miko. Oy, Miko. Ha?
Rico.
Rico. Kala ko Miko. Apo ko pa. Hi, Rico. Nag-ano siya. Nangangamuhan. Rico. Come. Rico. Rico. Hindi man nanakaw to. Hindi man nanakaw. Nangangamuhan.
Ano kay ate ay?
Malamang mabait yung aso pagka dumila. So, tsaka ano. Ano siya?
Siya sa babae.
Ano siya sa amo niya? Kumbaga sa boss niya lang. Ganun.
Ay, mamaya na nalika na. Kakantaan ka muna namin.
Ganun yung aso eh.
Pag hindi ka boss niya yata nawawala. Grabe naman. Mawawala. Sa inyo location na lang.
Ayun na.
Oo, sa inyo location.
Wala pa. Hanapin mo yung lighter mo. Hindi ko lang doon.
Hello, Jen. How are you? Ano ko Jen na isa?
Ayan, how are you? What's up, man? Good.
You're a
It's
vlogger,
Jan.
no?
It's Jan.
You're a vlogger.
Meet Jan, my friend. There you go. Excited nang kumain ng Goldilocks, guys. May barbecue pala, no? Oo. Ayaw niyang gamitin yun kasi gusto niya bago. I want the brand new grill, yan sabi niya.
First, pakisindihan mo na. Kakanta muna tayo.
Yeah.
Set up na sila ng ano. What's
Yeah,
your
pa.
name?
Papa Labs TV po and Mama Labs ni Papa Labs yan.
Kapanood sa mga. Hello.
Ayan po yung name ng vlog
Mga
namin.
vloggers. Kaya mapapanood sa YouTube.
Yan.
Pakisindihan mo na kakanta.
Kakanta na. Steve just arrived. Yeah, say hi to my vlogs. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, how are you?
Hi. Nice meeting you, man.
Good to see you. I'm out of state.
Ate.
Hi.
Basta po.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, please. Datingan na yung mga bisita, guys, ni Ate Eileen. Ah. Ah. American. Wow, daming sweets, Krispy Kreme. Sweets overload. Sweets overload ngayon, guys. Hey, there. Hey, man.
No, it's been here. No. It's been here for.
Not my
Ayan.
birthday. Oh, thank you.
Ah, nice meeting you. Nice meeting you pa.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you pa. Ah, I'm Richard.
Wala tayo. Oh, thank you. Ito na lang yung mga ano. Ito na lang.
Long time no see. Hi, how are you?
Is Eileen my wife?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hello. Elsewhere. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Eileen.
Siya din yata yung may birthday, no? Si Eileen.
What can we help, Eileen?
We have lots of
They're
sweets.
setting up the main character for today.
There you go.
So, serve lang ako ng... Dito na lang dito patungo dito. Patungo dito. Kasi dito yung mga dessert. Dito yung ulam.
Tama, kung doon tayo, ang init doon. Yeah.
Tingnan ko yung container. Pero, parang hindi
And guys, we make fire ready for the chicken. Here. Yeah. So we can put this here.
We contact you right here. Area. Contact you right
So yun guys, naki-birthday kami. Ng Eileen. Friendly.
Hindi man, isabaw lang
Yan, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And look, your favorite.
Yes. Ah. Ah. Favorite of my friend. Caldereta. Hindi yung handa ko nung no, caldereta. Shout out kay ate nagluto ng caldereta. Caldereta guys. Wow.
Set that up and
No, because it will splash.
okay.
Just leave it.
And it
No,
is
I
good.
mean,
Happy doing like that.
yeah, that's what she wants me to do.
Okay.
Ayan si ate Eileen. Ayan.
She said she didn't test it.
He want to put it also, we can start to eat na.
This is my original
Original.
Original ha? Not duplicate ha?
Not anymore.
Not order ha? Yeah.
Kailangan nilagay.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, vegetarian. Oo, pula ka.
Clear nyo na lang dyan para makaupo. Dyan.
May ano to, Bon? Kailangan itong i-ano? Bon, kailangan siyang i-saksak? Or hindi, sige. Kanta si Chenny. Happy birthday. Pwede ba siya ayun? This is my room. My room. The owner of my house. Okay. This is her. Happy birthday song then. Yeah. Pacquiao lang. Pacquiao. Maliit-liit. What else? Wala. What else? The chicken. But it needs time. So, ano lang po? We can eat. You spray the chairs. You're gonna sit down. So, I think we cannot eat. We just eat the chicken later. So, yeah. So, like it's now.
Yay! But I smell the chicken already. Oh, that's the other side.
Kalimutan mo dala ang kandila
Ay, shit.
sa bahay.
Ay po, may kandila po dito. Ayan.
May kandila.
Para sa ano. Ayan. Ayan po, 5-5 lang. Benta namin. Bili na kayo.
Dito kayo puntahan kaysa bahay.
Guys. Ayan namin. Let's
Ito siya kainin. Let's eat, guys!
That's it. Kain na, kain na.
Sige, ako na magpapaypay. Kain na kayo.
Kung may birthday, kami ikaw magpapaypay.
You have to speak in English. Sorry. You have to speak English. So, you can tell them
The guys that food is ready on the table.
yeah.
So, are you hungry? Uy, ginupuan mo na yan. Yung salamin ko dyan.
I think we did it.
Ara.
Yeah, we were.
Oo nga. Ayaw nila ng kahiyaan pa.
Sige po, thank you.
Yes.
Everything.
Everything.
What is it called?
Caldereta. It's
There is an basket.
yeah.
No, it's not Carabao. It's Baka.
Sige po, hamil. Thank you.
3 weeks.
She's on leave.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, we're showing up in the middle of the night, but I have a, like my stomach is paining.
Fine.
My friend in Dubai.
You want another one, Han? Because it's very
Oh yeah, it's better.
let me see.
Kain na, kain na.
Basurahan.
You know Catherine, the man of peace. She's the internal referral lady. Catherine.
I have
Long
a
story
glove.
short.
One glove.
Good.
Plastic glove. I have also
That's it. Yes. The table, not at the table. Dito ko ilagay yung basurahan.
Ah, dito po sa gilid. May basurahan naman po tayo eh.
glove.
Spoon?
Kain ka naman. Tuha! One, two, three! Tuha! Mabili, mabili. Kaya ba tayo nilagay yung sasakyan eh? Huwag doon nakatingin eh. Happy birthday po! Sino magluto nun? Yan. Favorite ko pa naman yan. Calderas. Hindi yan darang birthday ko. Special request. Sige pa. Bye-bye. No, look. Salang ako barbecue. Picture, picture, picture. Picture. 1, 2. Picture. So ayan po guys, dumarating na yung panahong walang dangal. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Hello. Pakainin mo nga, bro. Pakainin mo nga si ano, si Kali. Ay kumain eh. Pakainin mo na. Guys, ubus agad. Yung barbecue hindi pa na isalo. Sasalo ko, mag-barbecue lang ako. Oh, engineer. Pada, engineer. Cap-cap, yalla. That dega. Picture nga po, picture. Picture. Daily. 1, 2. Thanks. Okay. Yan. Kaya na. Paano yung walang dangal guys eh.
Ano na naman ginawa papa?
Kararating mo lang kakat. Titirahin mo agad ako ha. Gusto ko bang kumain guys? Ahead. For the third time around guys. Okay, ayun kay ate. Ate dito siya ibabaw. Dito isa. Yan. Yan. Filipino cake. Philippine cake. Goldilocks. Yeah. Yeah, Goldilocks. From Philippines. From Bahrain. Yeah, from Bahrain. Okay, game. Ayos ka yan. Game. 1, 2, 3, go! 2, 3, go! Ha! Oh, pasok ka, pasok ka. Up. Isa pa. Yay! Just say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Eileen.
Happy birthday po.
Thank you.
Sarap. Ano, ilalagay?
Wala.
Ha?
Mama, so? Ay, mababash nila.
Hati mo mukha mo. Sarap po. So, yan na ang tumira. Pwede po yung taas pa yun. Ito, masarap to. Red velvet. Cake mo, gusto mo? Red velvet? Ano? Goldilocks. Goldilocks. Gusto, bigyan Goldilocks. Dali. Liga. Halika.
Gusto mo? Gusto mo tikman, ha?
Papa Labs TV Official. Subscribe and click the bell.